First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about set font size and set font size with EM. So we'll use in body tags, open heading level 1 and close the heading level 1. After that, we will use open P element and close the P element, copy and heading level 2 and close the heading level 2 element. We will use dummy text just for learning. For heading, copy and paste into paragraph, heading, and use dummy text just for learning, paste into paragraph, paste and paste. So we will use font size in pixel, and in style.css file we will use heading 1 selector, open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces we will use font -size colon 40px semicolon. After that we will apply CSS on heading level 2, page 2 selector, open curly braces and close curly braces, and font size -size colon 30px semicolon. After that we will use P selector and we will apply CSS on paragraph and font size font-size colon 14px semicolon. If we use pixel, so we can still use a zoom tool to resize our entire page, and press the build button to save the file. Index.html already saved. Go back to the browser, press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page. We use the size with pixel and full control over the text size. So we will use set font size with EM instead. In external style sheet we will use instead 40px, we will use 2.5 EM, and in 30px we will use 1.87 EM, and in paragraph we will use 0.87 EM, and press the build button to save the file. Go back to the browser and press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page. EM to allow users to resize the text in the browser menu. Many developers use EM instead of pixel. EM is equal to the current font size. The default text size in browser is 16px, so the default size of 1 EM and is 16px. The size can be calculated from pixel to EM using this formula. Now we will use combination of % and EM. So remove these selectors and we will use open body selector, use open curly braces and close curly braces, and we will use font size font-size colon 100% semicolon. After that we will use H1 selector, open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces we will use font size -size colon 2.5 EM and semicolon. After that heading level 2 selector, open curly braces and close curly braces, and we will use font -size and colon we will use 1.87 EM, and after that we will use P selector, open curly braces and close curly braces, and we will use font -size colon 0.875 EM semicolon. The combination of percent and EM solution that works in all browser is to default font size in percent of the body element. Press the below button to save the file. Index.html already saved. Go back to the browser and press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page.